Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. I would like to welcome all the faculty members once again to another tutorial where we will learn how to create test using a question bank. Okay. So if you remember already we have done a tutorial for the assignments. Now today we will do a tutorial with Blackboard how to make test. Okay. So let me go back to the browser. I'll change my English language language interface to English and then log in with my Blackboard account. If you remember that if you have an Iqama ID or the national ID, you need to remove the first digit of your Iqama or national ID, and the remaining is your username and password unless you have changed it. So once you log into the Blackboard account, the first thing you do is you go to the Blackboard online, you go to one of your Blackboard courses, either directly from by logging in, or you can go to courses as well. I choose this course where I would like to make a new test, so I will log in. After going inside your course, in the previous tutorial where you have learned how to go make mock test, you will directly do the new test here. But in today's session, since we are making test using Excel document or a question bank, so we have to go to Codes Tools. I repeat, we are inside Control Panel, and then below Control Panel there is a third option called Codes Tools. You need to expand it and then scroll down till the last but one choice you see here with the word Test Surveys and Pools. Once you click on it, you will have three choices: test, surveys and pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make test. To create test, you need to upload a list of questions. And how do you do that? We will learn it in this tutorial. So first I'll go to test. I'll say build test or import test. Import test works if you already have a test taken as a backup from a previous course. For example, this is a test which has been already created on this course. I want to take it as a backup, export to local computer. It will be stored in my PC. Then I can go to a new course where I would like to upload this exam. Then I click on import test. It's very simple, but now in this tutorial we'll concentrate more on how to build test. To build test, click on build test. Give a name of the test. For me it's final exams and view final exams. Scroll down, no need to make anything, click submit. I repeat, just you have entered the name of the test and you will click submit. Once you click submit, you will be redirected to this screen where you will have create questions or reuse questions or upload questions. Directly you can create question one by one, but in today's tutorial we'll show you how to upload multiple questions, which will reduce the efforts from the faculty side. Okay, so now we will go to your computer, your PC, and then I'll create a new Excel worksheet. Give it a name like question bank or NBU test, and then open this Excel sheet. After opening the Excel sheet, I need to remember few things which are very important. The first thing is, if you are writing down your multiple choice question here, then you have to, the first column, this is the first column. The first column you need to enter the shortcut code for the multiple choice, which is MC. MC means multiple choice. The second one, you need to enter your question here. Okay, it is your question 1. The third thing you need to enter is choice 1. The fourth thing you need to tell the system is this choice 1 correct or incorrect? Correct or incorrect? Then choice 2. Again, is this choice 2 correct or incorrect? Then the choice 3. Again, if this choice 3 is correct or incorrect. So now this is the format you need to remember. I'll just highlight it for you to understand that what we are doing now. Now let me type my first question, which is a multiple choice question, and my question bank. The first question for me is, what region is RR situated in? Located in. And the choice 1 is Sakaka. Choice 2 is northern borders. Choice 3 is Eastern province. Choice 1 is Sakaka, choice northern borders, choice 3 is Eastern province. The first choice is not correct. I'll mention it as incorrect. The second choice is correct. I'll mention it as correct. The third choice, Eastern province, is again incorrect. I'll mention it as incorrect. You can, if you have more than 3 choices in your question, you can go with the 4th choice as well and the 5th choice as well, along by following correct or incorrect parameters. So I'll just make it easy for you to understand. It's choice 4, correct or incorrect. Okay, and then choice 5, correct or incorrect. Okay, so choice 4 not applicable, and it will be incorrect. Choice 5, all the above, again it will be incorrect. So this is how you will be doing questions for multiple choice. Like this way you can have hundreds of multiple choice questions. This you need to remember, you need to mention the first keyword as MC. In the same way, if you want to have a test with multiple choice, true or false, and short answers in the same exam, I will keep true or false. And for true or false, the first question will be your question. So what will be my question in true or false? Where is NBUS in RR? Since this statement is correct, I'll mention it as true here. That's it for true or false. The same thing as a question. You will write the code for essay is ESS, and you will type the question here. Explain about the term digestive system in human body. So this is my question, and I don't have to enter any answer. Leave the box blank, because the student have to give the answers for essay. Either they can type the answer or they can write it on a paper and upload it in the document. The next one is short answers. Okay, the shortcut code for short answers is SR. And then what you will do is you will write a question here. Explain about the importance heart in a human body. Or everyone knows the importance. I'll make it as about the function of heart in a human body. So since it will be similar to essay type question, short answer and essay, you will just need to enter the question and then do nothing else. I repeat, in essay and short answer you have to only enter the question in the next respective box or cell and then do nothing. In true or false you will just write TF and then the question and then whether whether this question is true or false. Just write the answer. However, in multiple choice question it will ask you what region is error and all these things. So what I will do is I have created this MCs 3 times. I'll just delete these MCs because these are blank boxes, and this was just to explain you, okay? And what we will do is here, after you create the question paper on the Excel sheet, the thing is you need to save the file as in the same folder. If you need, go to the save as type and change it to text tab delimited. I repeat, save it as text tab delimited. In case in this Excel sheet if your questions are in Arabic language and all the choices are in Arabic, or at least if one character is in Arabic, you have to save the file in Unicode text. But since all my questions are in English, I will save it as text tab limited. Click this and save. Click yes and then close this and click save again. It will ask you again and again. No worries, just keep on saying yes, 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 save wherever required. That's it. If you see, a new document, notepad document is created, and to see what it has inside it, we'll open it, and you see this is by default created from the Excel sheet. The first column or the first term is MC, which is the short form for multiple choice. The second is TF, which is a short form for true or false. SA, short form for essay type question. SR, short form for short answer type question. So now we have this question. Let us close it. Go to the Blackboard account, upload the questions, and you need to just mention how many total points will be assigned for each question. I believe I have 4 questions. I'll just give 3 points to each and then click on browse. Go to the file where I have just saved this document, which is called .txt file, which is a notepad file. I'll select this, click open. It gets uploaded here and then I click submit. Okay. Once I click OK, I see the questions gets uploaded, and the first question is multiple choice. What region is RR located in? This is the correct, and the point by default is assigned as 3. The second one is true or false question. The third one is essay, explain about the term digestive system. This will be question and the answer will be submitted by the student. The third one is short answer, explain about the function of the heart. So these are the test questions which you have built from the Excel sheet by saving the Excel sheet in a notepad file with an option to save it as text tab delimited. Okay, so now once you see that all your questions are saved, make sure, very important, to go in a proper procedure. You need to click on OK. Okay, once you click on OK, this test becomes available to you as in the test area. Now when you see this test becomes available in this test area, it will not become available inside this test link. How to get it inside the test link? I'll show you now. Go to assessment, go for a new test. You will see a new test name which we have created using an Excel sheet or a textpad file. This link becomes available here. You need to just choose this new name and click submit. As simple as this. And the system will take you to another page where you will go with the test settings. In the current scenario, where exams are being set up for online purpose, and these are the recommended settings which we are using in the university. So the first choice is open test in a new window. We keep it as no, and make available to the students. We keep it as yes. Add a new announcement for this text. Yes, we keep it as yes. And we don't give any multiple attempts. And we don't use the box force completion. We use set timer. If the timer for this exam is, I could give it for 120 minutes. And select auto submit on. And once I select auto submit on, I can go with display after, display until. Display after, display until could be of any date. For example, you can start the exam for 28th of April and finish the exam on the same day, and the exam is for suppose 120 minutes. Then you can use this. Input the time as well. In the evening, if the exam is at 8, then the exam will finish at 10. If you want to, you can have a password, or if you don't want, you can keep it open without password. Make sure you don't do anything in this area. Okay, scroll down, add users or group. This specific option is used when the student needs another attempt. So this happens after the exam is finished or during the exam, when the student says, by mistake I have closed the browser. In this situation, the student needs to be given another chance. So then this comes in picture. Due date. Okay, what is due date? How can we use due date in exams? Now if you scroll up, if you want to keep the exam open and you want to assign student 1 day, 2 days, 3 days to finish the exam according to their convenience and availability, because multiple exam students are giving or handling at the same time, then you will uncheck this box. You will uncheck this box, scroll down, come to due date and select the maximum date. The maximum date for me is 21 of April, and it could be 23 of April as well, to make sure that I give the student 3 days. And that's it. Select the time whatever you need and then scroll down. Make sure you uncheck this box and scroll down and click on randomize questions. Once done, you can submit the settings of the examination. So this is how you will create a test using Excel sheet and then saving it to a notepad file and then uploading it to the Blackboard system. In the same way, you will understand how to make question bank using the Excel sheet or the notepad file. This is for this session where we have learned how to make the test using the Excel sheet. So now with this, you have understood about test. The next tutorial we will learn how to make pools, which is called as question bank. Thanks for watching this session. I wish you all the best for your exams. Assalamu alaikum.